All right, we're in a 1936 Ford Deluxe Cabriolet, two-door convertible coupe. This thing was restored in 2007 to a very high level. Black, brown leather interior, showing 26,630 miles. All gauges are working. Oil pressure is at 20 at idle, warm idle. Fuel gauge, half tank. Temperature just above median. There's an electric fan as well, comes on with the key. Amp meter. He moves ever so slightly. Needle's missing on the radio. I wasn't able to get sound out of it earlier today. Throttle controls, they work. They're a little sticky. I was able to get them to function by simply pulling the rod from behind the dash. Choke works. Yep, choke works. Good running car, starts right up. Lighter, never been used, it looks like. Cowl vent, very smooth. Nice rear view mirror, wipers, vacuum line is attached. Let's see what we can get. No action out of that. There is a wiper, single. Top goes down really smooth. I'll add that clip in right here. Hyperlapse, time lapse. A little bit of wear where the hinges are. Overall in awesome shape. Boot cover, still got some stretch in it. It's newer boot cover. Dash was redone with the original wood grain technique. Good leather, good chrome, nice. All the chrome stuff's in great shape. Shift knob's awesome. V8 logo there. Handbrake works. Holding us right now. Some documents I'll get scanned in, service records and car show posters. We have a restoration process photo album as well, which is one of my favorite things to see. So this 36 Deluxe Cabriolet. So here's that photo album. Paint was stripped. Blasted. One floorboard replaced when I was looking through here. Chassis was in great shape. New gas tank. Original color still on drive shaft. Original serial number. Markings up here on leaf springs. Got a rotisserie going to get blasted. Original stamp numbers on differentials. Numbers matching style. Stripping the paint off the fenders. Looked like the metal was in great shape. It's got a picture of Al Capone in here. I don't know the relevance other than it's a really cool 30s black convertible. I thought Al Capone was a Cadillac guy personally. Good top. Little rework on a dent in the dash. And then some final pictures of some hubcaps. And a car show poster with it featured on there. 9th annual show 2019. So that's in the car. I'll scan some of those too. It's pretty cool stuff when they document the process like that. Car's still running great. Temperature's just above middle, just a little bit higher. We've been sitting here about 10 minutes. All right, well, let's go through the gears, drive on down the road. There you go. Down first. Nice smooth steering. Mirrors are in a good spot. I can see well around me. Good power. Chokes all the way in, throttle knobs all the way in. Turkey crossing over there. We're in second. Third. Remember to slow down your shifting when you're driving these oldies. And now for a downshift, double clutch, clutch in, gas tap, clutch in, and it should just take it. There it goes. Got signals on here, retrofitted to the column. Cruising right along, about 40 miles an hour. Now when I put the top up, you saw me put a piece of weather stripping up here. It's a nice help. It really cuts down on air that comes in from this top. Wind noise is very minimal in here. This car was done really nicely. Every now and then you'll get some wind noise through here on these. I'm not feeling any of that. No extra gap up here on the top or anything. Super nice. Signals mounted inside of the headlight and in the tail light. No additional lighting. Now we'll just cruise in second. About 15 miles an hour around here. Perfect gear for that. Signals are not self-canceling, just an FYI. Hazards, pull out on this lever down here, and then you just hit a signal to cancel them. Ford is about where it's happy. You could push it to 45, 50 if you needed to for a short bit. Great oil pressure at RPM, about 40 psi on the gauge. Check it out, frankmanmotors.com, 1936 Ford. Any questions, give us a call or leave a comment on YouTube. While you're there, subscribe, share, like, watch another video. Anything you do like that will help our channel grow. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.